the recession only exists for people that don't know how to handle a recession. So if you understand what to do in a recession, the recession is the best thing that ever happened to you. Our real estate business, when I was selling real estate, in 2007 to 2010, we literally began doing 120 to 180 transactions a year. Why? Because we knew what to do in a recession. So if you want to duplicate those results, you can. So step one is you got to double down. What do I mean by that? Well, you got to double down on lead generation. You got to double down on your efforts. You got to work harder, work smarter. You should be at least doubling your income, doubling your business over the next 2 to 4 years. If you really want to learn how to get to the next level in a recession, get to Business Strategy Mastermind Conference. There's a link right on the page here. Click on that link and get signed up, because at Business Strategy Mastermind Conference, we're going to talk about exactly what I did and what others have done to not only survive a recession, but to expand massively